Do you want to know how to use Bing Video Creator to create AI videos? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft has launched Bing Video Creator. It is an AI video generator tool that allows you to create high-quality videos by entering prompts. Like Microsoft's Bing AI image generator, it is an excellent tool to generate unlimited high-quality media for free. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use Bing Video Creator to create AI-generated videos. Method 1. How to use Bing Video Creator. To use Bing Video Generator to create AI videos, download and install the Bing app on your mobile phone. Open the Bing app and tap on the square icon on the bottom right side. Now tap on the Video Creator option. Now type your prompt in the required field to generate a video. When you are done, click on the Create button. Tapping just below the prompt box, you can choose between fast and standard video generation. The fast video generation option generates the video within seconds. If you select the standard option, your videos will be generated in several hours. By default, the video generation mode is set to standard. Currently, it generates the videos with an aspect ratio of 9:16 and a duration of 5 seconds. You cannot change these settings. The video quality depends on the details you include in your prompt. The more detailed the prompt you write, the better video quality you will get. Therefore, to get the best video quality, be descriptive with your prompts. For example, if you want to generate a video of a woman walking in a snowy forest, instead of writing a simple line, "A woman is walking in a snowy forest" in your prompt, write something like this. Create a cinematic video of a young woman in a red coat walking through a snow-covered forest at sunrise. The camera follows her from behind at a low-angle tracking shot, capturing her footprints in the fresh snow and the soft golden light filtering through tall, frost-covered trees. Her breath is visible in the cold air, and the scene is quiet and serene, with only the crunch of snow under her boots. We have used this prompt to generate this video. If you cannot write good prompts, you can take the help of the other generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, etc. You can download the generated video. For this, tap on the 3 dots and then tap on Download. All the generated videos will remain stored in your account for 90 days. You can access your generated videos under the My Creations tab. To access the generated videos on your PC, open Edge and go to Bing Image Generator. Log in with the same Microsoft account. Now click on the My Creations tab. You can also use Microsoft Rewords to create videos faster. Currently, Bing Video Creator is available only in the Bing mobile app on the Android and Apple stores. Microsoft will launch it for desktop and include it within the Copilot search soon. Moreover, it currently supports only a 9:16 aspect ratio. Microsoft will soon add the 16:9 aspect ratio for video generation. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.